Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Well, it's Funky Friday. Wonder what's in the funk bag today. In Vogue, you're never gonna get it. All right, let's do this. Hi, and welcome to my funk bag tutorial. It's Funky Friday here at Eric Blackmon Music, and today's song is You're Never Gonna Get It by In Vogue. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and this looks like a job for Clearly Funky. Now, believe it or not, we're going to play this entire song with one chord. That's right, one. Let me show you that chord. Our chord for this song is going to be a G diminished chord formed this way. I've got my first finger on the G string, fret 6, my middle finger on the D string, fret 8, and my ring finger on the B string, fret 8. And I'm going to aim for those three strings, just those strings. We need to try to either avoid or mute the other strings, because we're going to play this song like this. We're just going to strum that chord throughout the song. Now, let me show you the strumming pattern. Our strumming pattern is going to be played this way throughout the song. Now, when I strum my chord, I'm squeezing to just hit those accents like this. Squeeze, release. When I release, I'm touching the strings just barely. Got my fingers on the strings, just kind of muting them like that. Now, our strumming pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. You'll be able to play that chord and that strumming pattern throughout the song, even through the changes. So that's it for You're Never Gonna Get It by In Vogue. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.